Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to uninstall or remove Peazip on Windows 10. So first of all, you might have this app on your desktop and there will be a shortcut. So this is the shortcut for the app, and now you have to right click on the app, then go to open file location. Now from here you will see the uninstall000.exe file. You have to click on this and then you will be able to start the uninstallation process. Now if you don't want to do that, there's another method, and that is go to start button, then go to settings. Now from here you have to go to apps. So in the apps you will see this search box and you have to write PG. So after writing PG, we can see we have found the app, and you have to click on this, then click uninstall. You have to click uninstall again. Now I'm going to minimize the settings. So you can see the installation box. So I'm going to click yes to remove all PG and its components. So it is uninstalling, and PG was successfully removed from your computer. So there you go. There's no Peazip on your Windows system, and that's how you can uninstall Peazip. So thank you everybody for watching this video, and if you think this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up, because if you do that, it really helps, and I really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye.